Colin Doherty here from Motorsport. We got Colin, Lindsay, and Jack Gavin here, Motorsport team. They're going to take us through some of the things they look at in the morning, first thing on a 944 GTR Fabcar Porsche.
These cars run in the afternoon. We'll do a big heat cycle before we run them. They come in, strip the bodywork, let them cool down. You inspect things as you go, you clean things you see. And then you really dive into suspension, control arms, spherical bearings, wheel bearings, shocks, making sure everything's tight. After that, you tend to look at all the little minute things. How does the cabin look? Are all our switches working? How is everything? And then, while that's going on, Colin and Johannes are reviewing data, giving us feedback on what they see, and it takes a village. But when we align these cars at the shop, being that it's a tube chassis car with jam nuts and spherical bearings, we don't really get a chance to shake the car down per se. So after a big practice session, things are liable to find their happy place. And that's why we do such a deep diagnosis after running. And we have long checklists for each session that we walk through. And then also having like a second set of eyes on things, you know? 2 eyes are always better than 1. In theory, the cars should just run and run and run.
What changes on the car as you go through the course of a weekend? You know?
Yeah, so as you heat cycle things, these are all V-band clamps. You tend to carry a Zeus fastener tool and a 10 mil ratcheting wrench, because going over these really quickly, as things expand and contract, things loosen, things change. And just that extra bit of security is really helpful for the nerves and anxiety, and it makes Colin comfortable in the car knowing that, hey, we touched everything, we've been there, we put our eyes on it, you have nothing to worry about.
There's nothing better than knowing that Colin and Jack or Tom McCarthy have gone through the car as a driver. When you get in, you just feel that confidence that you know the car's been looked after well by a team you trust. So just pick a good team. Essentially it's like picking a good doctor, right? They're your sphere of influence. They're going to give you the confidence to go out and do what you need to do on the track as a driver. So, whether it's Motorsport or another team, just get that, symbiotic relationship with the people you trust with your car. Because there's nothing better than that warm and fuzzy feeling inside to get behind the driver seat and the wheel and knowing that you got a good car in your hands. So.